Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. Just mga how many minutes ago I just already swept outside, clean because I don't know, as early as this morning, 6:25, but the very moment, have you seen the shadow here? It's hot. You know what, sometimes even, what do you call that? Kahit po na, even when we're just staying at the aircon, I feel suffocated eh. Sometimes I need my body to get sweat because it makes me more energetic when I got sweat. So that's why even it's a little hot, I'm sweating right now. Just finished sweeping outside, cleaning, and you know, now I'm here having my coffee. But before that, I didn't actually eat early as early, like this. I just feel hungry. I don't know. Just I don't eat as much as early. I just feel hungry right now. That's why I'm going to eat and have my coffee, guys. So that's it. That's all what I've done early. Then I did some exercise outside. Stretching to get, my we're not getting any younger, that everybody knows we're all getting AIDS, etc. Blah blah blah. So we have to have this, a daily routine, even do some walking inside the what do you call that, subdivision, and do some stretching exercise to avoid being, even you are healthy, but still you still need to do something in a day that you could make your body, what do you call that, a little bit uh, stronger enough, or let's say energetic, or whatever you call it, guys. Just, that's it. So that's why I just don't know why I made this early vlog. But anyway, I'm just gonna invite you guys to have my coffee. Uh, to have coffee with me. I'm sorry. Then look at this. Look at this mug. This is a mug I got. Oh, sorry, because of the shadow. I got this mug from, I when I ordered food. So this is the bilao here in Antipolo. When you don't, when you have your occasion and you cannot just have cook, or you don't have time to cook, just order. They just give it to me as a free coffee. Just coffee, guys. And charan! It's nilagang saba. I don't eat this so often because when I eat it, it didn't digest easily in my stomach, so it made my stomach hurt. But this is what I'm going to eat, guys. Come with me. I don't know what's the sense of this vlog. I just made it to have, look at that. Oh, actually, excuse me, I burped. In the province, no, guys, especially when you wake up in the morning, mostly when we were kids in the province, we don't use it much, rice or like that. We are belong to the very poor family when we were kids. We don't even experience to eat in the morning, like, you know, uh, like the social food right now, bread, like hot dog or omelette or blah blah blah. So this one is just very good. This one, kamuting kahoy, right, guys? Anyone who could, the Filipino people, kamuting kahoy, saba, or kamote. Or guys, remember yung mga San Fernando gabi, guys, no? Nilalaga lang natin, tapos po sinasawsaw sa nyug. Remember? Sinasawsaw siya sa nyug. Tapos okay na with ang coffee pa natin nun is just mostly kami. Yung ginrind na bigas, the kind of rice that we will just, make it, how can I, just fry it and until it get turned to black, and then that's where we're going to put to the clean cloth and just put to the water and grip it like that. So that's coffee na. And sugar, di uso nun ang mga milk, di ba? Oh my God, yung buhay namin talaga nun parang just to survive in a day. We're six in the family, and I don't know, but we're happy. We never been a product of the broken family. We're happy, guys. And that sometimes I miss that life even right now. Even you have your money, you could buy things, you could eat or anything, you could, it's still, you're missing that kind of life, right? So, but at least we're grateful to the Lord because, He's giving us this kind of life. So, thank you, but still, remember guys, saba, kamuting kahoy, minsan pa nga yung mga kamuting kahoy guys, na, pwede nating, tipak-tipakin po ba yun, tapos, ilalaga, lalagyan ng asukal, di ba? Okay na yun, masaya na tayo nun, di ba? So, pwede din yung saba, itong saba, i-slice to, pwedeng para mas dumami. Halimbawa, marami kasi kami magkakapatid. We're 6 in the family. Then, slice siya ng tapos talaga ng sabaw matamis para madami, right? I really miss it. Kamote to, pwedeng paghalo-haluin yun. That's the basic and common food in the province, right, guys? Especially mga taga-probinsya. Hindi naman tayo talagang masipag kumain ng kanin kasi ang bigas talaga sa atin sa province, napakahalaga. Instead of magsasaing ka pa, we're going to cook rice this morning, why not cook it for the lunch or tanghalian, right? So, sagan sa maga, or could be, pwede tayo makasurvive ng coffee lang tayo, right guys? Remember, I miss that life. That I will never forget, and I will never hate that kind of life that we've been through before, because that life triggered us or encouraged us enough where we are right now, right? And when God sees that really you deserve that kind of life, He'll change it. He'll make things change in you, in the people who's really, deserve that kind of life. No, guys? Kaya, wag po tayong mapagod lumaban sa buhay. Wag po tayong magsawa na i-experience yung mga bagay na pinapa-experience sa atin ng Panginoon. Kasi, the more God letting us to experience those things, mas nakikita ng Lord na deserving tayo sa mga pagpapalang inihanda niya para sa atin. That's why, sometimes, I understand, some people na hindi madali, sasabihin nila, madali mo nasasabi yan kasi, okay ka, blah, blah, blah. No, I just had a simple life. And yung lahat ng bagay na meron ka, ipagbigay mo sa Lord, wag mong iiyuhin yan. And make sure talaga, things will be, pag-align sa Lord, hindi mahirap pagtagumpayan eh. That's what I've learned, guys. Kaya, kung anong meron tayo o sino man dyan na may kinakamit sa buhay, wag nating gawing, good morning anak, my son is awake na. So, wag nating gawing, sarilingin yung mga bagay-bagay at pagpapala, guys. So, talagang, we have to always give it to God. Give thanks to Him. Kasi, siya naman lahat talaga may bigay nun, right? Sobrang init po. So, actually, this is time to wake up, 6:30. Prepare for his school. So, this is just our life every day, guys. In the morning. Then, our life is so quiet, decent. And, I don't like as much as possible to get into trouble kasi wala namang magandang bunga talaga yung trouble, right? So, it is a talk, morning talk. So, while having this saba and coffee, thank you guys for staying there. Talk if you want, can ask question, whatever. Just ask in the comment, or I'm just the beginner here, blogger, trying to build my account. So, I don't know, sometimes I don't need to prepare and pick something video that I could put or upload. Just the natural me. Because life is full of naturality. Kapag binago natin yan, parang wala na kasing excitement, diba? So, mas maganda kung sino ka, what really you're doing is, yan yung maganda kasing malaman. Kasi kung lagi natin pinaghahandaan yung mga iba-vlog natin or ilalagay, parang you're lying to your viewers, you're lying to your subscribers, right? Whoever you are, that's yan yung maganda eh. At least kung i-judge ka nila, yan yung nakita nila, right? So, nobody be blamed because that's you eh. Sometimes, full of editing, hindi naka-surprise, but I don't know our generation right now is so picky and they're so diligent when it comes to the views or the content that they're going to put to the content, right? So, that's it. Maybe, ayun. Kaya, thank you guys for staying there this morning. I'm not gonna make it too long. Just have someone to talk while showing what I have my routine is. Enjoy your day, guys. Ingat po. Lahat-lahat ang init pa rin. We don't know. We're gonna have the rain. But still, stay hydrated po. Laging may tubig. Kahit tubig lang, hindi natin kailangan yung may mga kulay. Just to make our body, because part of our body is 70% water. So, we have to take care of our body. Kasi we will live once. Yung buhay natin isa lang. Alagaan po nating mabuti. We don't need to have to become rich for us to take care of our life. The simple way that we could do is just like this. Stay safe, guys, and always value everything, every small thing, anything that you could have in life. Just valuing it, always give thanks to God. And that is very, very good way of making and pleasing God. So, thank you so much. I'm gonna be continuing here by eating, and you guys can do also. You don't need to spend much for yourself. Just like this, 5 pieces or how many pieces, kamuting kahoy, anything that you could do, you could have it. Do not make your life complicated. Enjoy life. And whatever is in your table, be contented. Be happy. Stop complaining. Instead, be grateful everything to the Lord. Okay, thank you so much. A piece of advice, just sharing a little bit. I love you guys. Thank you for the viewers that, having comment for some of my video, guys. I really appreciated you, and keep supporting my YouTube channel because it will benefit a lot of simple people when it grows, and God allow me to make it builded. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day. Stay safe, guys, and don't forget to, subscribe. Click the notification button, guys, and for you to be updated whatever the simple and unique video I'm going to upload. Love you all, guys, and stay safe. Life is beautiful. Let's keep it healthy and valuable. Stay out of trouble, and respect every one of us the freedom that God gave us. Thank you, and happy Thursday, everyone.